Hello YouTubers, as I promised from my previous video that I'm going to be making a vegetarian dish. So today I thought I should make only a pie instead of a whole dish, okay? So I bought the pie crust from the store. I'm not making the dough from the beginning, okay? So, but I'm gonna be making a vegetarian, and instead of using the ground beef or the chicken or chicken pie or ground beef or pie or whatever, I'm not using that. So I'm only gonna use a vegetarian dish. So which basically is a chickpeas. I'm using as a protein, and then the rest I'm gonna show you. This is the chickpeas that it's not a chickpeas from I can't. So I pressure cooked it. Okay, so I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients that I'm gonna put in with the pie. Okay, so basically I got a bowl of spinach here. I got three kind of seasoning here. I got a teaspoon of black pepper. I got a teaspoon of a curry, okay, and I got all season, mixed season, 1 tablespoon, okay, 1 tablespoon, and then the salt I'm gonna add later. I got 3 garlic and a small size of a ginger. I basically I've pre-cut them, make it ready. For spicy wise, okay, I put 2 small hot pepper. I got 1 onion, 1 cup of potato, a mixed vegetable, I'll say probably half a cup or whatever. And that's what's gonna go inside the pie. So I'm gonna start cooking this, and I'm gonna show you guys. Let me get my pan hot. I'm gonna be using olive oil. So it's not hot yet, but I'm gonna just put not much. Let's say about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And this will be my first time making a vegetarian, anything with a vegetarian. Usually a meat. I usually cook with a meat. So today, basic vegetarian dish. I'm supposed to do a soup too as well, but I got a little bit lazy, so I'm gonna stick only with one. As you see how lazy I am, I'm using the crust from the store. I'm not making my own. I don't have a machine to make the patty that I want to make, but I guess I'm gonna test it my own little skill. I'm gonna do it manually. I'm gonna be doing this, and I'm gonna show you guys. So stay tuned with me while this thing is getting hot. The chickpeas out of the pressure cooker here. I'm probably gonna cook maybe 3 or 4 patties anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it. Whatever the leftover, I'm gonna use it another day. So I'm gonna leave it like now. Add a little bit more. Leave it like that. Get that. I'm gonna put the garlic and the ginger here. Let it simmer a little bit. I always love the smell of a ginger. Alright, you put the onion. Chop it as small as you can, because you want to put it inside the patty. You don't want to put a long one. The oil and all that is all up to you. You can just reduce it. I like the hot, I like spicy. So I'm gonna stir this a little bit. I'm gonna add the salt. Always like to add the salt now. So I'll probably say, I don't know, maybe a half a teaspoon, and you just test it as you go. So I'm gonna get the potato right now. I don't want to put too much potato, just a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna stir the potato. Don't forget, the chicken is already cooked. I pressure cooked it, so I don't need it to put it right away here. I want this stuff to be cooked. I'm gonna take all the seasoning that I said, put it in there. So I want to cook this for a while. and add the chickpeas, the protein. So I'm gonna be putting some little bit of, I'm gonna be using the juice from, instead of just putting in water, I'm gonna use the chickpeas broth, okay? Now I'm gonna use the chickpeas broth. You don't wanna make it too watery either, because it's gonna go in the patty, remember? So, I'm gonna put more water a little bit. The broth, I mean. And I'm gonna add the spinach in the end. If you wanna add a cheese, it's up to you. If you wanna make it a vegan, you can always get the dough as a vegan and just do it as a vegan. I mean, you can get a vegan dough from a vegetarian place. So I'll leave this for a little bit, let it simmer together, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. All right, let's mix the vegetable. All right, this has to get blended in together before I put it inside the crust. So I'll leave it that like this alone, a little bit alone. Leave it like that. I want to just simmer together. I can always make it a little thicker later on, but I want that potato to cook well. All right, let it stay like this. I'm gonna test the salt now. So now I'm getting the dough ready. I don't have the pie maker, so I'm making my own way. So I hope it's gonna come out right. So what I do is I'm gonna put 1 egg to seal it later on. 1 egg. Put 1 egg here. And then I put, what do you call it? Just a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. I'm gonna use that to brush it later. Okay. Like that. Just that one for brushing later on. So I put this thing here. I hope it's gonna cut it. I hope it did. So it cut. So I'm making 2 of them. So this one is not usable. It's okay, as you see that. Okay, I'm not gonna be wasting it, don't worry. I'll put that one on the side. Get the other one. It's always good to do the dough at home, but this idea just came on my mind right now. That's why I'm just jumping and doing this video. That's why I went and bought it. All right. So I gotta do the second one now. Grab this. All right. So I want to see if I can roll it again, but it's not gonna be as good as the other one. All right. Let's roll it out. Just want to get another. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I can get another one. All right. Now it's done. Yeah, so it's okay. It's gonna come out. Right. That's 2. All right, time to test it to see if the potato is almost done. Yeah. Almost is done, so I'm gonna leave it for another 5 minutes. It's delicious. All right. I'm gonna add the spinach right now. So I got the oven preheated already for 400. You see that? Just let this get together. And don't forget, it's gonna be going in the oven too as well. You wanna add more spinach, you wanna add more? It's up to you. You don't wanna make it as watery as it, remember? Just want it like, just like this now. All right, it's almost done. All right, so this will be snack. See, you can make this one, even if you want to do a beef, you can do a beef. And instead of putting in the chickpeas, you can add the beef. And you can put, and then you can make it in a pie and give it to your kids. And you know exactly what are they putting in their body, okay? Over here. All right, give me this. So it won't burn nothing. So put it on the thing right there. So now what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna grab, I need, so grab a little bit, put right there. All right, then I'm gonna fold it like this. Right, grab a fork. I'm gonna do this. I got it.
Hey.
That's okay. So I'm gonna put that egg a little bit just to give it a little color later on. All right. Grab the second one. That shows you that. Grab another one. As much you want. Got spinach. Put it in there. All right, fold it. All right, you're gonna grab the fork again, just gently. Okay, move this one out of the way. All right, grab the brush again, and I'm gonna use what do you call it? I'm gonna bake it. Fold it. As I said, just a gentle. Even it up. See, I don't have the pie maker. Let's close it. Gentle. Brush it. Use this. You gotta be really careful taking it over there. And my oven is getting ready. It's done. So this is the final product that I did, and basically you can pre-make about 10, 12, whatever, and then you can pre-package for the kids for them to take to school. So this is something simple that I made, a beef, or you can make a beef patty, quick one. You can make a chicken one, quick one. You can make a vegetable one that I did right now. If you want to make it to a vegan, all you have to do is just buy the dough from a vegan store. And technically speaking, this could be a vegan as well too. So sorry about all the noise that you hear from the background. And yeah, I can't cut it because the wife's asking me why I didn't cut it. The reason I can't cut it is because it's still hot. So I can try to cut it, but let me see. I can try to cut it, but it's not gonna be as a crispy cut that I like. As you see it. Right there, a nice, a vegetable patty, okay? So you can take this as a snack for the kids, they can enjoy it, and you know exactly what you are putting into their body, okay? You're not buying beef patty from outside, you don't know what they put. If you wanna add cheese, it's only up to you. So I didn't put no cheese, so the only thing that I did different is that I bought the crust from the store. You can also make the crust. Next time maybe I might make the crust from scratch, and I'm gonna share that with you guys. All right, till then, thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, you can put your comment below and your suggestion for the next video in case you wanna see something else different. Till then, as usual, what I say, Yeah!